Oribe Gold Lust Transformative Mask, let's talk about it. This is one of the most expensive hair masks that you can purchase at Sephora. I had a look and I think maybe only one is more expensive than this one. It is $82 for the full size. This is just the mini, and that's Canadian dollars, so if you're in the US or elsewhere, it will probably be a little bit less than that. Someone told me after I used the shampoo and the conditioner of the same line, I only had really small packets, so I couldn't make a full review, and also I just wasn't that impressed with the performance, that I should try this mask, because this mask actually is one product in the line that is absolutely worth it. So I purchased it, and this small was not that much money. It was like $22. So I was like, okay, I'm in. I'm down to try anything for you guys here and see how it lands in terms of repairing hair damage, whether it leaves my hair more soft, more manageable, any of those things. And the real short answer to it is I really don't think this product is worth the money, and I don't think it's all that. Oddly, they don't even make it super clear exactly how to use it. On the back, there's some small instructions, and it just says massage, indulge for as long as you want, and rinse. So basically you do your shampoo, your condition, and then you put this mask in, you massage it around, leave it in for as long as you want. Maybe you want to step out of the shower, do a few things, and then, I don't know, hop back in and rinse. I don't have that kind of lifestyle, but I don't know what you do, so maybe you do. But I did try leaving it in for a good 10 minutes while I was just doing other stuff in the shower, you know, shaving, all this other kind of exfoliating, all that other kind of stuff, and it didn't make a whole world of difference. I just did not find that this was a very heavy duty product. I think if you're looking for something light, it's perfectly acceptable. You might enjoy it, but I don't know why you would want to spend $82 on it. It does not have an amazing scent. It has a light floral scent that's definitely not offensive. It is probably on the nice side, but it doesn't linger, and it's not like you feel like you've perfumed your hair with something gorgeous and had a real luxury moment. And I did find that way about the shampoo and the conditioner as well. You know, Oribe is known for scenting, being the sort of first place that used sort of a more premium scent, an elevated scent in their shampoo and conditioner, but I didn't find it actually to be all that good. So that's how I feel about this.